Guys, this is the live markets and I'm buying GBP AUD through to the upside right now for the following reasons. Now, I sent you guys an email and I wrote an article telling you guys that for today, I'm bullish on the GBP. Everyone's bearish on the GBP as a result of the Bank of England not hiking interest rates. So there's a lot of traders, there's a lot of analysts that believe that because the Bank of England did not hike interest rates, that this somewhat should be interpreted bearishly for the pound. However, those traders are most probably going to get smoked because I'm interpreting this as positive news for the pound. The UK already has a massive amount of debt, and the BOE not hiking interest rates is a responsible move that should be rewarded and not punished. And therefore, however, I believe they did the right thing. So I believe that this is bullish for the pound. On top of that, consumer spending for the UK was released today, and it's way above expectations, showing the UK consumer is still willing to spend, which is good news for the pound. So all in all, I have a bullish view for the pound, and as a result of that, I went ahead and I bought GBP AUD through to the upside. You can see my entry point right here into it, and I believe this is going to skyrocket a 1-to-4 risk to reward ratio through to the upside. Let's see how that goes. All right, everyone, good morning. I just exited this GBP AUD trade that we have right here, unfortunately a lot earlier than originally anticipated. This is a 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio, which is still great of a risk to reward ratio, however, not what I originally anticipated and aimed for. Now, why did I go ahead and exit this trade a lot earlier than anticipated? Because we've got a negative economic release that was presented to us this morning for the GBP. The services PMI for the UK service businesses are contracting a lot more than anticipated. And as a result of that, this is a negative economic release for the UK, which prompted my exit out of this GBP AUD market. I think what you guys can learn from this video is that it is okay to go for high risk to reward ratio trades. However, we need to be attentive to any negative economic release that might cause the market to shift in the opposite direction of our trade. And as a result of these economic releases being presented to us, that should prompt us to go ahead and exit these trades, and for us not to be stubborn and just hold it just because we'd like more money. So that's it for today, guys. I will be speaking to you guys again soon. Goodbye.